Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our 72 by 96 Beverly Arch double door today. This is definitely one of our signature doors. My dad designed this door probably 20 something years ago. I'm not sure, but they went out on a house in Beverly Hills, and that's why the door is called the Beverly. A lot of people are trying to copy us with this door and changing a couple things around, because we have a pretty heavy copyright on this. Love this door, grew up with this door pretty much in my life the whole time while my dad was doing this stuff in America. This thing features a kick plate that has a little design to it. We also are using 4-inch tubes on each side to get a larger glass out of it, and then we extend it out to 6 inches to fit any standard lock sets that you can get off the shelf. All the scroll work is all hand done. It's got a little bit of design work on the kick plate, the little flower. Threshold is one piece, which is this piece with the door. All our measurements are measured from outside, so it measures from the bottom of the threshold to all the way to the peak of the arch. And the width is measured from outside to outside. This door has a rain glass on it that we're showcasing. Amazing door, love this door. It's part of our family pretty much. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys the back of the Beverly door. All right, so we're on the back end of the Beverly Arch. Beverly Arch has an operable glass, which you just open and flick these knobs over. Glass opens up for easy cleaning. Some people like it for a breeze. You can also add a screen to this on a custom order. This door is oil rub bronze. It also comes in different colors if you choose to. It comes in a single door, double door, arch, flat top, which is a square door, and also a full arch, which is a full arch if you like. You can also do the square frame with the arch doors. You can, however you want to make it, you can do it. You can even take this all the way down to eliminate the kick plate, which is this piece if you like. On this door, we also have the design on the inside part also. Amazing door. So hope you guys enjoyed this showcase. If you have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.